Hey YouTube world, wanted to show you guys my invention of a outdoor shower for my two little boys. So after they get out of the pool, they can come out here and they can take showers and do all that good stuff rather than going inside. So I used 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and as you can tell, I have my two little feet there. Not the best invention out there, but this is my idea and I like my idea. So those of you that have ever thought of doing something like this, here it is. But so yeah, so I have not glued this piece right here, so this coupling, and this I have not glued it just because I like to slide it off and slide it on. And then this right here is for your feet, so if I do this number, if they want to wash their feet, they can. And then just turn it off, and then the water comes back up. This valve right here also turns off the two showers. I don't want to turn it off right now because if I do, this will come out. So again, I don't want to glue that, and I'm fine with it. All right. So then I came up, I did a T right here. Then I have two cheapo shower heads that I got from Lowe's, and as you can tell, work perfectly fine, no problems. Boys enjoy it. Shoot, I even do it. I even use it after I cut the yard on a hot day. Come out of here and just refresh. Yeah, so pretty sturdy, no problems. Some pieces I did glue just because they were coming apart. I used leftover PVC pipe that I had. I might paint it, might not paint it, I don't know yet. It works. It's not pretty, but it gets the job done. Yeah, so the kids enjoy it, I enjoy it. Again, it's not the best, but it's my little invention, and those of you that are looking for a nice shower outside, this will do it. It's pretty cool, you know, nothing to it.